Hi, this is Adam with ADI, and I wanted to share a few hints and tricks to help you with classroom management during Stage 4, the argumentation process. Our lanyards make it easier to manage two parts of Stage 4. First, deciding which group members stay and which ones travel, and next, having the rotations work in an organized way. Let's take a look at this hypothetical classroom with 6 groups, each with 4 students. For this investigation, I've decided as the teacher that odds are going to rotate and evens are going to stay, and I'll only say that after every kid is put on his or her lanyard. I've chosen a clockwise rotation for this Stage 4. I recommend having students present to the outside of the room and to try to keep a rotation as circular as possible for movement's sake. After the first rotation of the odd-numbered students, your groups will look like this. And when it becomes time for the second rotation, again, every group is going to rotate clockwise, and you're going to end up with a second rotation group that looks like this. And while I know there are a lot of colors in this picture, it becomes easy as a teacher to scan the room and see if any student is in the wrong group based simply on the color of their lanyard. I personally use our lanyards in all the teacher workshops that I do, so if you're tired of feeling like you're herding cats during Stage 4, give our lanyards a try and see how much better it goes. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help lead to a more organized Stage 4. And as always, don't forget to follow and like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all updates ADI.